Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making Celestial Butterfly cold process soap, and I went ahead and I've added my lye water to my oils, and I want to keep it at a light trace so I can try and do the drop swirl. So we're going to go ahead and pour out some of it. Hopefully not make a mess. And of course we did make a little mess. Okay, we'll go ahead and wipe this up. And I'm going to take and add white to the main portion. What I used was the Crafter's Choice, the White Clouds mica, and then the Super Sparkle White Diamonds mica. Get all that in there. And try and stir it in my hand. Doesn't get any thicker. Got a little bit of a shimmer to it because of the Sparkle White Diamonds mica. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side and pull these back a little bit so I can work. And this one here, we have a neon blue, the neon blue. It's from Steps Mica and More. All of the colors here are. I love this pink. Okay, and I'm using Fairy Dust fragrance oil. That's from Wholesale Supplies Plus also. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in now. And we'll go ahead and stir that in real good. Oops. Splattered a little bit. Okay, I've got my white over here. I think you can see it. Okay, I'm going to move these all to the side. I'm going to grab a napkin quick. Wipe that up. So we're gonna put in our white first. Of course, this one isn't as thick as I wanted, but the others are just thickening up like crazy. Put this in. I can't believe it. How one can thicken up. I guess we're not doing no drop swirl. We'll do a plop swirl. Just unreal. Not sure what happened here to make them so bad. Down a little bit. Yeah. This down the top. I've not been having good luck with cold processed soap lately. There we go. I don't know if it pays to do any swirl or not. That is really crazy how thick it got. Okay, and we're gonna put our little embed butterflies in. I hope you guys can see that. So we can cut off the end of this one here. Right there. Talk about making a mess. And I guess that end we will just keep for a sample bar to send out. Okay, we're gonna let this set up for 18 to 24 hours.